So right now we're going to specifically talk about being denied for a mortgage. So if you're denied, what are the next steps? Sean, can you break it down for the
I'll
people?
break it down. So, getting denied can be disheartening. Nobody likes being told no, right? However, it's all in the delivery. Usually, when there's a no, that means there's a yes. A yes can be found somewhere. Loan officer's pretty good. He or she will instruct you how to get yourself right. Okay. So, here are the top reasons that people get denied. And I'm going to go through these so it makes sense. Number one, okay. Number one is your credit score required for the program you're trying to apply for, right? Okay. Number two is not enough income for the amount of loan you're trying to apply for. Okay. Number three could be job gap or job issues or employment issues. Okay. Those are the, and number four could be the type of collateral. And five could be assets, the amount of money required to buy the home. Let's go through these. All right. So let's take a look at credit score. Now, remember, one good thing I would say about the credit scoring process is that it can be manipulated. There are loopholes you can kind of get through to get your score where you need to be. That's why you talk to a credit advisor like Tamiya. In the event I say that, hey, your score isn't high enough for the program that we have to do based upon the rest of this application. Okay. So remember, scores can always be changed and adjusted. Having a low score is kind of like getting stabbed. Right? You're gonna bleed a little bit, right? But it will heal, right? As long as you're not stabbed too deep. But it will heal, right? And then number two, what did I say for number two?
Not enough income.